thought it might be fun to do a project that's been inspired by the straw mat, and I am so in love with this pillow.
Isn't it fun?
Yes, and these are the colors of Kwanzaa.
They're the colors of Kwanzaa. First, you're going to make your strips.
Okay. You're basically creating a tube, right?
I'm making a whole bunch of tubes. We're just going to hold the one end in place.
Just the one end. Oh,
so if you want to go,
I'm going to go under on this one. Oh,
and
my
I
goodness,
skipped one,
this is
so
so
I'm doing
fun.
the same as you. But wrong sides together.
Ah, yes.
And we're going to make a little quilt.
Oh my goodness,
so
yes.
we're just going to use some binding around the outside edge.
Oh, I love this. That is so pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
It really is,
and a nice,
like you said, you could do it with anything. Okay,
super
that's
fun and easy.
beautiful, and what a great inspiration piece.